The Cloud Portal Budgets tab is where project budgets are accessed by users. Cloud budget entries must first be created by the admin from the Cloud Setup dialog in order to be viewable here. Budgets are grouped by their associated jobs. Select the appropriate job name from the drop-down menu to view its associated budgets. To replace a cloud budget with a CSV budget file that's stored on the local computer, click on the budget name to select it, then click the Upload button. To download a cloud budget to the local computer, click the Download button. To modify the budget data, click the Data button. Click the Add Row button to add a new row to the budget. Click into the appropriate cell to modify its value. Set the appropriate tab radio button to determine the direction for the tab key. Reposition budget items by clicking on the item and using the arrow keys. To recalculate budget totals in the difference column once numerical values have been updated, click the Calculate button. To export the budget to a report file, click the Report button. Name the report file and then set the parameters for what is to be included in the report along with the desired report file format, then click OK to generate the report file. Prior to using the Build or Custom CSV buttons, some setup is required by the admin in the Cloud Setup dialog. The Build button allows you to create a budget by importing columns of data from a report, and the Custom CSV button allows you to export selected columns of data from a budget to a CSV file. Once column mapping has been set up by the admin, to build the budget from the mapped report columns, be sure to click on the appropriate report in the Report tab to generate it. From the New Budget dialog, click the Build button. Once column mapping has been set up by the admin, to export the mapped columns to a CSV file, click the Custom CSV button. To modify the Notes field of the budget entry, click the Notes button. To delete a cloud budget, click on the budget name to select it, then click the Delete button. To send a budget file by email directly out of TradeTech, click the Send button, fill in the appropriate fields in the following dialog, then click the OK button.